AI keeps moving and really fast, and today we're taking a look at the Runway 4 update, and trust me, this is next level. But before we get into the details, let's take a look.
Monkey see, monkey do. Monkey see, monkey do. Monkey see, monkey do. Monkey see, monkey do. Lasciami veri, lasciami fare. Lasciami veri, lasciami fare. Lasciami veri, lasciami fare. Lasciami veri, lasciami fare. Monkey see.
Crazy, right? The whole movie industry is changing, and let me tell you why. Consistent characters. With Gen 4, you are now able to generate consistent characters. You just simply set your look and feel, and the model will maintain coherent while preserving the character style, mood, and the great part is that you can generate those elements multiple times with multiple perspectives and positions within your scenes, which is insane. You can now position any object or subject in any setting or condition you require, whether you are creating scenes for long-form narratives or just product ads. Runway Gen-4 makes it really easy to generate consistent visuals across different environments. Coverage. Gen-4 can generate scenes where objects and subjects can be placed in any location with detailed control over the environment. Gen-4 allows you to integrate elements smoothly without worrying about mismatched lighting, angles, or perspectives. Production-ready video. If you are generating a video for product, you can position the product in a dynamic scene, whether it's a studio setup or outdoor environment, and the AI ensures that the product blends perfectly with the moving background and other elements. This eliminates the need for complex visual effects or post-production work. What can we achieve with this? Automated scene composition and camera movement, dynamic lighting, realistic rendering of moving elements, which makes Runway 4 a really great tool for anyone needing high-quality video, without the need for complex editing or post-production processes. Physics. Physics simulation plays a crucial role in making AI-generated content, so it feels realistic by applying natural laws to how objects behave in the scene. This functionality is especially important for creating scenes that require accurate interaction between objects, things like gravity, forces, and movement. Now there is a realistic sense of gravity and weight, collision detection and response, fluid dynamics, soft and rigid body physics, wind, and many more. GVFX. Gen 4 uses AI to create visual effects that would typically require extensive knowledge of VFX software and manual keyframing. This includes everything from explosions, fire, smoke, lighting, water, splashes, and more. Gen 4 allows you to integrate VFX directly into your generated scenes. If you have an environment set up, for example cities, forests, you can add elements like rain, fire, fog, or glowing lights seamlessly into the environment. Particle effects, light and shadow interactions, green screen and chroma keying, style and artistic effects, and you name it. What else would you need? You can access Gen 4 right now. And there is bad news. There is no a free version available to try it out. You can get it for $15 a month, which is reasonable due to the high quality it brings to your videos. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and see you in the next video.